Let's get one thing straight. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of feeling like you're running on empty. You want more energy, better focus, and maybe even to fit into those jeans you've been eyeing, but you keep telling yourself you're just too busy. Sound familiar? Well, it's time for some tough love. "I don't have time to cook" is the worst excuse out there. We all get the same 24 hours, and it's about how you use them. You make time for what matters. So why not your health? You spend hours scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, or mindlessly snacking, but can't spare 10 minutes to fuel your body. That's not a lack of time. It's a lack of priorities. Let's be real. You deserve better than that. You're tired, sluggish, and stuck in a cycle of sad, energy-draining food. Every day feels like a repeat of the last: low energy, low motivation, and a growing sense of frustration. It's time to break that cycle. You don't have to settle for feeling this way. Change starts with a single decision, and that decision can happen right now. Today, I'm giving you 10 Asian dishes you can make faster than ordering takeout. These aren't complicated recipes. They're quick, simple, and absolutely delicious. These meals are your weapons for weight loss, high energy, and taking back control. Imagine powering through your day with real fuel, not just caffeine and sugar crashes. Packed with flavor, loaded with nutrients, and designed for speed. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to whip up something vibrant and satisfying, even on your busiest days. No more excuses, no more whining. You're in charge of your choices, and it's time to act like it. Listen up. This is how you transform your week into a powerhouse of productivity and health. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing meals ready to go, knowing you made them yourself. Forget bland diet food. We're talking explosive flavors, real satisfaction, and meals you'll actually look forward to eating. Busy schedule? No time? Doesn't matter. You're about to learn how to eat well, feel amazing, and finally, get a grip on your health. Let's jump right in. Let's kick off your morning with a burst of flavor and energy. Introducing the garlic chili shrimp bowl. This isn't just breakfast, it's a wake-up call for your taste buds, and the best part, it's ready in just 5 minutes so you can fuel up fast and get on with your day. Start by heating your pan on high. Don't be shy with the heat. Drizzle in a little sesame oil for that nutty aroma, then add a generous amount of freshly chopped garlic. Listen for that sizzle, it's the sound of flavor waking up. Next, toss in your raw shrimp. They should hit the pan with a satisfying sizzle. If they don't, your pan needs to be hotter. The shrimp will start to curl and turn opaque almost instantly. Sear the shrimp for just about 1 minute per side. Watch as they turn from translucent to a beautiful pink, locking in all their natural juices. Overcooking will make them rubbery, so keep an eye out. Treat your ingredients with respect. Now it's time to build layers of flavor. Splash in some soy sauce for umami depth. Squeeze over fresh lime for brightness, and sprinkle in chili flakes for that fiery kick. The aroma will fill your kitchen and wake up your senses. Toss everything together so each shrimp is coated in that spicy, zesty sauce. The sauce should cling to the shrimp, glistening and fragrant, promising a punch of flavor in every bite. While the shrimp finish, steam your greens. Choose a mix of spinach, bok choy, or kale, whatever you have on hand. Just 2 minutes is all it takes to keep them vibrant and full of nutrients. The greens should be bright and lively, never dull or mushy. This is the foundation of your bowl, adding freshness and crunch. To assemble, lay down a generous bed of those steamed greens, then pile the spicy shrimp right on top. Drizzle any remaining sauce over everything for maximum flavor. In just 5 minutes, you've created a bowl that's spicy, energizing, and packed with protein and greens. It's a meal that looks as good as it tastes. This is how you kickstart your day. No more sluggish mornings, just pure, delicious energy. Don't just admire your creation. Dig in, savor every bite, and get ready to conquer your morning. Go! Next, 3-minute meal, no stove required. Shred leftover chicken. If you don't have any, start planning smarter. Grab pre-shredded cabbage and carrot slaw. Mix chicken and slaw in a big bowl, crunchy, fresh, and filling. For the dressing, sesame oil, rice vinegar, lime juice, a dash of soy. Whisk until smooth. Taste for balance. Pour over the salad, get your hands in, and massage the flavor into every bite. This isn't a timid salad. Be bold. 3 minutes, 0 cooking, and you've got a protein-packed, nutrient-loaded meal. Make a big batch for lunch tomorrow, efficient, delicious, and no excuses left. Feeling run down? Maybe you're dragging through your day or your body just feels heavy and sluggish. When life gets overwhelming, your body sends you signals, fatigue, aches, or just that sense that you need a reset. That's when it's time to reach for something nourishing, soothing, and packed with anti-inflammatory power. Ginger turmeric tofu soup is your reset button. This isn't just any soup, it's a bowl of comfort that works from the inside out, helping your body fight inflammation and restore balance. The golden color hints at the healing ingredients inside, and every spoonful is a step toward feeling better. Start by heating your pot and adding a little coconut or sesame oil. These oils add a subtle richness and help carry the flavors. Next, grate in fresh ginger and garlic. Let them sweat gently. No browning, just enough to release their aroma and essential oils. This is the foundation of your soup's healing power. Now, add turmeric, either freshly grated or ground. Turmeric is the star here, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Toast it for about 30 seconds, just until it blooms and releases its earthy, vibrant scent. This step unlocks the full flavor and health benefits of the spice. Pour in your choice of vegetable or chicken broth. The broth brings everything together, creating a nourishing base that's both light and deeply flavorful. Bring it to a gentle simmer, letting the spices infuse and the flavors meld. Let the soup infuse for 5 minutes. This short simmer is all it takes for the ginger, garlic, and turmeric to work their magic, turning the broth a beautiful golden hue, and filling your kitchen with a comforting aroma. While the broth simmers, cube some firm tofu and slice fresh bok choy. Tofu adds protein and a silky texture, while bok choy brings a gentle crunch and a boost of vitamins and minerals. Add the tofu and bok choy to the simmering broth. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. The residual warmth will gently cook the tofu and greens, keeping them tender and vibrant without overcooking. Let it sit for 2 minutes. This resting time allows the flavors to meld and the ingredients to finish cooking, all while preserving their nutrients and freshness. Now, ladle the golden soup into a bowl. You'll see the silky tofu, vibrant greens, and a broth that glows with health. Each spoonful is clean, soothing, and deeply nourishing, a true healing meal. This is comfort and health in one bowl. Whether you're fighting off a cold, recovering from a long week, or just craving something wholesome, this soup is your go-to remedy. Let it warm you, heal you, and remind you that food can truly be medicine. Salmon, king of healthy fats, but don't overcook it. Cut skinless fillet into cubes, pat dry, season, sear in a hot pan or air fryer. Don't crowd, let them crisp. While cooking, mix sweet chili sauce, lime juice, and chopped herbs for a quick glaze. Toss hot salmon in the glaze. Coat gently, don't break the cubes. Serve over greens or cauliflower rice. Crispy, juicy, sweet, and spicy. 7 minutes to restaurant quality flavor. Diet food, no compromise. Pantry bear? Miso veggie rice bowl to the rescue. 5 minutes. Steam frozen broccoli, peas, and edamame in the microwave. In your bowl, mix miso paste, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. Heat pre-cooked rice. Brown or quinoa works. Add hot rice and veggies to the bowl. Mix until miso melts into a creamy sauce. Top with sesame seeds or spring onions if you have them. Balanced, nutrient-dense, and packed with umami. Simple, brilliant, delicious. Need a protein hit? Lean beef and basil lettuce wraps, pure power food. Brown lean ground beef in a hot pan, get those crispy bits. Add garlic and chili for the last minute. Splash in soy, lime juice, and a touch of fish sauce. Instant Southeast Asian flavor. Turn off heat, stir in a big handful of fresh basil to wilt. Spoon into crisp lettuce cups. Hot, savory beef meets cool, crunchy lettuce. Flavor and texture perfection. High protein, low carb, zero guilt. Soba noodles, nutty, healthy, and ready in 4 minutes. Boil noodles, don't overcook. Slice cucumber, defrost edamame. For the dressing, whisk matcha powder, lemon juice, sesame oil, and water. Drain and rinse noodles under cold water. Toss noodles, cucumber, and edamame with the vibrant green dressing. Serve cold, refreshing, energizing, and packed with antioxidants. Fast, sophisticated, and healthy. Craving Korean fried chicken? Try spicy gochujang chicken strips. No guilt. Slice chicken breast thin, coat in gochujang, garlic, honey, and soy. Sear in a hot non-stick pan. Don't overcrowd. 2 to 3 minutes per side. Let the marinade caramelize. Serve with steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice. Sticky, spicy, and satisfying. Fast food, redefined. Need comfort food? Fast veggie curry. Noodle bowl, ready in minutes. Rice vermicelli in a bowl, top with thin sliced veggies. Add Thai curry paste and a splash of light coconut milk. Pour boiling water over everything. Stir to dissolve. Let sit 2 minutes. Noodles soften, veggies wilt. Flavors meld. Finish with lime juice. Creamy, fragrant, and comforting. Under 5 minutes. Last up, 5-minute teriyaki turkey rice plate. Brown ground turkey in a hot pan. Mix soy, mirin or honey, ginger and garlic for a quick teriyaki sauce. Pour sauce over turkey, simmer 1 minute until glossy. Serve over cauliflower rice, raw or microwave. Top with sesame seeds and spring onions. Huge plate, high protein, low carb, and tastes like a treat. 10 healthy Asian meals, all in minutes, no more excuses. You've got the recipes and the techniques. Stop making excuses and start making dinner. This isn't dieting, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Respect your body, fuel it right, and take control. Cooking is power. Want more? Like and subscribe to Slimsync. Don't just watch, do it. I want you to feel as good as this food tastes. Now get cooking.